Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I have goddess provisions for January. Do you want to see what's inside? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so my January box just arrived. Goddess Provisions is always in the very beginning of the month, and that's what I really liked. And I've been missing this when I haven't had it, but when I brought back December, I asked you guys if you want to see more, and you guys said yes. So without further ado, I did resubscribe. So I did 3 or 6 months to start out. I'm not quite sure, but I did resubscribe. So now here she is, back in action. Last month was such a good box. It reeled me in. You guys wanted to see it, so here we go. Now, they went back to their normal box, but I feel like maybe they should have had a little bit of a bigger box today. But, you know, I did actually cut the tape and kind of peek inside for a second because Goddess Provisions also has a mystery box that I did purchase, and both of them were mailed the same day. So I was like, well, which one is this? And since I opened it, it looks like it's the monthly box. So I'm going with this is the monthly box, but I didn't really look inside, but I just saw it's nice and it's exceeding the box capacity. So let's go ahead and see. So again, that's what it looks like when you first open it up. And let's go ahead and dump the products out because I always tell you guys, they put their card on the very bottom. So to get to the card, you have to take everything out. I just wish they would just add this last. That would make things so much easier. So here, ooh, that is very pretty. Here is the artwork for this month's card. And let's see what the mantra is. Monthly mantra. When I nourish my mind, body, and spirit with self-care, I embody my true nature as a loving, radiant, and compassionate being. And then it says, coming soon, the Sacred Self-Care Oracle and Guidebook. Ooh. So that would be coming soon. So on this side, it does go over the items and it does give us the pricing. So let's go ahead and get into what we have. So the first thing that is now on top is this right here. Okay, so this is a nice pretty bag. I love the blues, of course. So that is so pretty. And it does have the little like rose gold zipper, and you open it up and it is nice and padded inside. Now this guy right here says it's valued for $25 for this little bag, but it is nice, like insulated. It's like a thicker, I don't know, the material is really nice and soft. And this says, my Tagalong's Gem Pouch with a soothing blue lace agate. Is that what you guys could say? Agate? Because apparently I'm saying it wrong. So whatever, tomato. So with the soothing blue lace agate, maybe, design and cushy neoprene material, this pouch is a perfect carrier for your crystals, oils, herbs, and other essentials so you can practice self-care. And you can use coupon goddess30 saves 30% off at mytagalongs.com. And again, this is valued at $25. Looking at it, I kind of feel like $25 is way too expensive for this small of a bag, but I get that it is made with this type of material to protect your stones, oils, and that kind of thing. I just feel like 25 is a little high for this little guy, but that's my own personal opinion. So there's the first item. And I do think it's so pretty though, because it does have the blues and it is a gate. I don't know. Okay, so the next item is this right here, and this says self-care, and it looks like a little book. It says insights on the back that's actually engraved in the like the leather type feel. A day and night reflection journal, 184 pages. Nice. So on the corner it says self-care. This is a really nice size if you wanted to drop in your purse or your book bag or something like that. So it's not a huge journal. So I do appreciate that. And then it says self-care, an everyday night reflection journal provides a space for you to develop positive thinking, overcome challenges and stressful experiences, and cultivate a healthy lifestyle. Its delicately illustrated pages offer a place to record your thoughts and activities and conquer how they affect your emotional and physical path. So it says this journal belongs to, and then it says self-care, and then the pages. Okay, so there's a spot to record and to reflect, and that's for literally each day. They all look the same. Some of the pages are different as far as the color, but the words and everything are exactly the same. Let me show you. So like, for example, this one has like the tans and it has the little leaves going on. Then you could go a little bit farther. And then now here it's green. There's some flowers instead. So there's just different pretty patterns as you go through with the different colors, but they all say the same thing. So there's record, you put the date in the corner, it even put in your sleep times, total hours slept, if you had good dreams, bad dreams, or no dreams, and notes, what you ate for breakfast, lunch, snack, or dinner, number of cups of water to drink, exercise type, how many minutes, and then other activities that you did. Then your physical feeling, if you were energized, well rested, strong, limber, relaxed, sluggish, tired, weak, sore, stressed. Things that were fun or relaxing today, other thoughts, things that were hard or stressful today, kind things I did for myself, mood, notes as I woke up, as I went to sleep. So that basically gets to record your whole day. And if you didn't want to do day by day, it does have where you put the date there. So if you just wanted to log here and there, just put the date that you are logging and you get to keep track of it. And it's all in one little handy dandy note journal. I think that's really cool. This says Insight Edition Self-Care Journal, and this is valued at $10. You can use the coupon Insight20 to save 20% off at insighteditions.com. That's really cool. So there's the second item. Now let's go ahead and go with this guy. This says Sahara Rose Divine Beauty Serum. Okay, so now we're gonna have a beauty serum. This says your body is your temple. Practice daily worships by applying this soothing blend of plant oils and extracts into your skin, hair, and nails for an all-over silky smoothness. So there's that. And this is valued at $25. You can use coupon code GP25 to save 25% off at sahararose.com. How to use: apply Sahara Rose Divine Serum to heal, moisture, and soften. Use on body, hair, and nails. For best results, apply to damp skin and massage all over entire body. Use as often as needed. So that is really neat. So we have a body oil, and again, this is valued at $25. Now there is this. It says Blue Lotus Chai, make 17 cups, ready to savor in a moment. Okay, so I was like, how is this one little tiny bag gonna make 17 cups? I still don't know how it's gonna make 17 cups. I really don't know. But it says for the directions, it says to add 1/4 of a teaspoon of the blend, increase for more spiciness if desired. Stir, add 4 ounces of milk and heat. That's all. Choose whatever suits you: sugar, syrup, honey, etc., or no sweetener at all. We suggest 1 teaspoon as a good jumping off point. Have it your way. We encourage you to experiment by adjusting the amount of Blue Lotus Chai blend, milk, and sweetener to find your perfect cup for you. Try it even over ice for a refreshing change. It's gluten-free and vegan. I just don't know if you're using 1 teaspoon, and it feels like there's a little spoon in here. I don't know how you're gonna dip in here 17 times because, I mean, look, it's not like it's bulging out and it's completely filled. So let me just see this. It says bamboo scoop enclosed, reusable, easy to open. Let's see. Oh, I mean, this is really small. Maybe then. This is very small. Hold on, the cutest. spoon I've ever seen. Like, this is so tiny, but apparently that's all you fill the cup or the little spoon with. So with that being said, maybe you can get 17 usages out of this, but that's what's in there. So if you can see, dip it in 17 times, then that would be accurate. But if you use more, then obviously you're gonna have less. But that is just the cutest little thing. Like, that's just so cute. All right, you guys, so we have this, and this is valued at $8.50. It smells so good with all of the different spices, so I can't wait to try this out. And I'm gonna do as it says, to try it with milk and sweetener and honey and this and that to kind of see what tastes good. But I could have up to 17 different cups to try out, so that's really neat. Find easy how-to instructions for preparing and it gives you a website. So that's really cool. And it says that it is made with antioxidants, rich black tea, and organic spices of ginger, cardamom, nutmeg, black pepper, cinnamon, and cloves. So I really can't wait to try that. And again, that's $8.50. Okay, so then let's move along to this guy right here. So there's that. And this right here is valued at $33. It's a rose quartz, whatever that word is. Gua sha? Gua sha? I don't have no clue. But it's that thing. So let's go ahead and open this up. So when you open it up, it says rose quartz, and then I guess maybe the shape is the, whatever that word is. And then that's what it looks like inside. So I guess you remove that, and there is your item down there. So let's get this out. I have a jade one like this. So this is made out of rose quartz. Very beautiful. Very beautiful. So there's that guy. Warm this rose quartz between your hands and use it to gently massage your face along with your favorite skin serums or creams. Gently slide it along your face and neck in an upward motion to soothe your skin, reduce tension, boost circulation, and reduce puffiness. And that's $33. So there's one more thing, and that is the crystal for this month, and that is right here. This is a pink opal. Aw, my birthstone, I have two birthstones actually. I have some pink thing and opal. Opal is my birthstone, but this is a pink opal. I've never had a pink opal that I can remember anyway, but there is that. Very pretty. And this says pink opal, known as a heart chakra stone. This gem fosters a sense of emotional balance and a calm centered focus. Hold it as you recite the monthly mantra to awaken inner peace and self-love. Valued at $5. So there's that. And then they also do give you a digital bonus. It's a digital bonus to Manifest Miracles ebook, and it tells you how to download it, and it says that that is a $12 value. So adding up everything from this month's box, I'll put that right here. This will be the grand total valued for this entire box for this month. And again, I'm so glad that I re-signed up. I love that their cards are so simple. Everything is just spelled out. It's so easy and user-friendly. The only thing I would say is put the card on the top of the box, damn it. But that is all. So again, going over, we have this, which is very good to use for circulation and using with your favorite serums when you are doing your skincare routine. So it's a facial massage tool. We have the pink opal. We have this body oil. We have the tea that you can get several cups out of. Then you have this self-care journal. And then you have this bag. This is the only thing that I think was overpriced, but that's what this company chooses to value their item at. But I just still feel that this is too much money for $25. And I would never buy a bag this small just for $25 unless it's filled with stones. Then that would be worth it. But I'm glad I got it in a subscription box. That's the whole point of getting subscription boxes, because then you can get things at normally a fraction of the cost and you find some really cool things. So that is everything that came in this month's box. Okay, you guys, so if you want to know a little bit more about Goddess Provisions, then I will let you know a thing or two right about now. So this is a monthly subscription box. You get 5 to 7 full-size items in your box, and each box is generally valued between $80 to $100. But normally my boxes are a lot more than that. It just depends on what they have in there, but they say 80 to 100. So if you get more than 100, that's a bonus. They do ship worldwide, but US only is free shipping. Canada, it's $15 for shipping. And if you're international, it's $25. And it's $33 per month. And you can get it as low as $27.75 if you prepay for an entire year. So the more you pay for, the cheaper that it would get. And they're always cruelty-free and vegan. You can pause or cancel your box at any time. So that is everything that I have for you guys. You can go ahead and follow the link down below if you would like to check out Goddess Provisions. I'm so glad that you guys told me to bring it back. I'm so glad that it's now back as a monthly subscription, because again, last month I just did a one time because the box looked amazing and I just had to have the stuff inside of it. So now I'm really glad that I'm bringing it back, and yeah, she's back. She's back. So thank you guys so much for tuning in. Go ahead and comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? Again, this is for January 2020. And yeah, I'm really excited. I think these are some really good items that are in here. And again, I can't wait to try the tea. And I think this is a really cool, neat book for anybody to log their daily. I mean, it has everything in there. That's amazing. So thank you guys so much again for tuning in and watching this. I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. And until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye.